Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to use the Color Match tool in Image to Image. It can enable the pictures you generate to match the colors of the pictures you upload, and even match other color systems. Let's see how to use it. First, click Image to Image in the global sidebar, and select the art style you want to use. Dzine provides you with a wide variety of style types to freely choose from. This time, we choose Dzine Realistic V3. Then, upload the original picture you want to generate. You can click on the Describe canvas to make it quickly generate the prompt for your picture. We can make further modifications based on this. In this case, let's delete all the keywords related to color in the prompt. This is Structure Match. You can adjust the parameters through this slider. The higher the parameters, the more similar the structure of the generated image will be to the original image. Then we click on Color Match. If you choose Canvas, the result will be generated according to the tone of the image on your canvas. However, Dzine also offers a variety of color cards for you to choose from. You can select the color you want to match here. If none of these colors meet your requirements, you can even customize your color card. You can customize the color through the color palette, or change the color card by entering the RGB values below. Click Generate and wait for a moment. You can see that the generated image has been replaced with a realistic style. The old man's robe has turned green, and the overall tone has changed to green too. Here is other color. Each color matches the picture very well. You're now a Color Match Pro. Head over to Dzine using the link to try it yourself.